Saint-Gobain's rolling diaphragm technology is ideal for use in the semiconductor industry or other applications requiring high purity or superior chemical resistance. In this example, it is featured in Saint-Gobain's Furon HGVM pneumatic valve. The large opening generated by Saint-Gobain rolling diaphragm is far superior to any other high-purity membrane technology available on the market. This allows for a higher flow rate and a lower drop in pressure. The diaphragm also offers high pressure resistance, as the diaphragm is supported during every step of its actuation. This patented technology not only increases the valve's life cycle, but also reduces potential entrapment and optimizes safety. In addition to generating exceptional flow coefficient and pressure ratings, its compact design saves on space. To learn more about Furon fluid control products, visit the Saint-Gobain Process Systems website.